Nakakita ka na ba ng kotseng nagmamaneho mag-isa ng walang driver dito sa Pilipinas? Hindi pa, di ba? Well, that's our Tesla Model Y. Nakapark siya all the way down there. And ito yung tinatawag din ng summon mode. Kung nasa malayong lugar ka, you can literally control the Tesla para papuntahin siya sa'yo. So as you can see, gumagalaw siya mag-isa. Lapit tayo. And the Tesla is literally coming to us, guys. Makikita mo dito na meron siyang view ng camera at ito yung route niya. Look. Literally, liliko yan. Just like that, guys. Tingnan nyo. Walang nagdadrive sa loob. As in, wala talagang tao. It's literally controlling itself. 3, 2, 1, go. So, nag-on na yung lights ng Tesla. It's literally coming in. And gumagalaw siya. Driverless yan, guys. Walang tao sa loob. I'm just controlling it with my phone. And hindi ko rin kinokontrol yung speed niya or kung liliko siya. Ang susubukan natin ngayon is if liliko siya. Nag-on mag-isa yung turn signals niya to the right. I think it's detecting the road. Ayan, literally, palapit siya sa atin, guys. So, it went over the humps, pumreno siya, and it's now navigating to the driver. Yan yung tinatawag din ng summon mode that's part of the enhanced driving package. So dumating na yung Tesla natin. We'll come in front. Makikita nyo na walang tao sa driver's seat. Quite possibly one of the most impressive things I've ever seen this year. Ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa other side of the street. Iniwan natin yung Tesla Model Y doon. Ngayon, we're gonna find out kung kaya ba niyang mag-U-turn, umikot at bumalik dito to pick us up. Ito, hindi ko pa ito natatry ever. Umilaw yung Tesla. Nag-signal light siya ng left. So in that case, I actually swerved over to the other line. Yung tingin ko maghahanap siya ng U-turn area. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nag-signal light siya ng pakaliwa. So we're gonna try to correct what happened. And guys, kusang nag-turn on yung signal lights niya. U-turn natin. Once again, effective ba yung summon mode ng Tesla Model Y? I would say yes, but you have to be careful if it can read the street signs in street directions. Because syempre, medyo iffy siya. Kasi it can either cut into the other lane or turn very slowly. Kasi nag-iingat nga siya, di ba? Pero kung tinatanong nyo is effective siya, I would say it definitely is. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. See you next time.